Hello guys, in today's tutorial I would like to show you something very helpful for most of the beginners. And this idea gave me Arash Kenway. He wrote me a comment asking he's creating videos and he wants to make them cinematic. And he asked me that I can give you some idea how to make a boring video, make it a little bit presentable, more interesting, more cinematic and stuff. Arash, thank you for the comment. I'm very sorry that I recording this video now, since you wrote me this maybe a month ago, but I finally found some time to create this tutorial because I have my other job. Sometimes for me it's hard to find a free time to record tutorials. But please guys, do not unsubscribe from my channel because I'm really trying to help most of the beginners, people who wants to learn editing, and whenever I have a time to do that, always glad to help most of you guys. Please, if you have any ideas, tutorial suggestions, anything that you would like to learn, please write me in comment, or I also created on the community page and you can write there also. If you have something that you want to learn or you don't know how to do something in editing, just write me and I will create the tutorial for you. So I don't want to make this tutorial very long because it's gonna be a long, so be prepared for it and take a coffee or tea and let's begin. So now I have this example video. This is me actually. Hello. For example, Arash asked me if he makes just talking videos on camera. So I found something that I can show you, that this is like me talking to the camera. So and I want to make it this little bit, for example, nice. Yeah, I prepared for you this list of these footages. As you can see, it just for example, it depends, of course it depends what every footage should present the topic of your video. For example, if you're talking about travel, right? Let's say that you're talking about travel somewhere and you're talking about London, or you're talking about some beautiful places. When you talk about London, it's better to show London, right? For example, if you want to show that there is a nice Big Ben tower in London, let's say this big tower, and let's put it here. If you're saying, for example, right in this place you're talking about Big Ben, you can put Big Ben here and show the Big Ben. It will be very more interesting for people to watch something different on your story about London. Or if you're talking about right now it's just loading, sorry, sometimes it takes time to load the footage. But for example, if you're talking about what else, you're saying London and then you're saying, for example, New York, right? And then you started talking about New York, just show this New York also. By the way, to make this footage on full screen, just make it scale to frame size and we'll put this footage to exactly the same size which your video is. It's just loading right now. And then, for example, you're talking about London, right? No, I mean the New York, right? Let's say you're talking about New York, show the New York, that like if you're talking about the Statue of Liberty, you can show the Liberty, for example. You can find a nice footages of New York and put the New York also, right? Of course, they're gonna be a long footages. Just for example, you better, if you're talking about London, make every footage like 5 or 6 seconds long. Do not make it too long because it will get tired of the viewers, right? This kind of footage presenting Big Bear should be like 5 seconds. By the duration, it's better to make it a little bit shorter. It shows 11 seconds, but it's too much. 5 seconds is enough, most of it. My idea right now to explain to you by the topic, you should know. For example, you're talking about financing, right? Financials, money, like by bitcoins, whatever. You should find a footage where it's show. For let's switch to the website. I'll show you free websites where you can find the footages. Okay, here's the Font 5. Font 5, it has a free page. It's a not free website. You have to pay for most of the footages, but it has free page where you can download free footage. It has footage of any topics like nature, people, animals, business, technology, people, lifestyle, urban, aerials, food, drinks. Let's go to the business and technology. For example, if you're talking about some kind of business ideas and cryptocurrency, money, financing, whatever, it's very nice footages. You can use them, in in any circumstances, you know, in any like if you have some kind of business topics, you can use this footage. It's free, absolutely free. You can download it for free and use it by, see, it says free, even 4K footage is free. So you can use it by commercially and non-commercial. Here's another website. It's called Video Hive. Video Hive gives you every month something free. Let's see what they have for this month. It says December's free items. See, when you register it on this website, you have to be signing in. You have to be signing in to download it. It has very nice transitions, footages, photos, whatever you can reach transitions. It has a lot of nice stuff right now. Footage like fast highway traffic night footage, for example. You can use it in any like blogging videos, for example. If you wanna do something for Instagram, for for Facebook, or wherever you can, or you're talking about something about highway or traffic, you can use this footage. You know, right now a lot of websites where you can use free footages without any problem. Also, I want to show you the other websites. Here is Upbeat. If you sign in here, you can download every month 10 free song music. It has very professional, very nice music in any genres, like hip hop, movies, cinematic, funny, all genres you like. Funny, creative toolkit for kids, for whatever topics you have. You can find any videos, music here. And it's, if you wanna get pro, it's not that expensive. If you're making every time a lot of videos for if you're a content creator, you can use this music without any problem. Also, I want to show you this Footage Crate. Footage Crate is also has a free page for anything you want to download. Of course, you can go to Pro. It costs, I think, $100 per year, if I'm not mistaken. But they have a, like, let's say if I want to find magic powers, let's say I need magic powers for my video. I want to show something magic, you know. I want to like make a video. Let's say I want to talk about Harry Potter, and I can, if you turn this preview pro content, you can turn it off. It shows you free content they have. This is free right now. This is all free. You can download for free, but you can only download free 10 footages per day. Only 10 per day, and then you can download it. You have to come back every day if you want to download most of this. But they're also very good, and I think it has only the HD footage, but it's okay, right? This is mostly for people who creates visual effects and stuff, but just footage. Let's see if they have footage. YouTube, they have footage for YouTube. You know, see, you can find a YouTube like buttons here, like subscribe now, blah blah, whatever, you know. You can download from here also. It's a good site. Footage Crate is a great site. They're always creating something new. They're always creating a lot of new stuff. See, this is, if you turn it off, this is free. You can download this for free. Subscribe button, you can download it and use it. Share, modify, subscribe. Let's see how looks this. And the easy thing that you just download it and just put on top of your video, and that's it. It's already an alpha channel. It has alpha channel. You don't have to do anything else. It will be on top of your video, and you can make it smaller and bigger and stuff. Let me explain to you now without going anywhere. Whatever you're trying to create a video, when you, for example, just talking on the camera, just your head talking on camera and nothing is happening, of course it looks boring for most of like my video, right? Like this, I'm talking on camera. But if you have a specific story or a topic you're talking, like for example, you're explaining how to be a successful man, right? For example, you for successful men, you know what to show people, like what you need for success to be successful, right? Like wake up every morning, do exercise, practice, study, learn, get a job and stuff. So by these ideas, learn sport, like get a job and stuff. You just need to find a footage for this specific all these ideas, and you can put at this on top of your whatever you're talking about. So, for example, you talking about sport, right? In this moment, for example, you find that you're talking about sport. Just find something showing the sport, like jogging or whatever, and put on top of it, or swimming, like make it 5 seconds, go further. Here, for example, I'm talking about a job. Okay, let's find the footage where it shows like a busy man working and stuff. For example, like here, it has a very nice footage, like busy man, right? After how he's like, for example, here he's like going to the job, some looking for ideas, trying to learn something. Here he's in the office, talking like a businessman and stuff. You can use all these footages, right? Let's say if you're talking about, as I said already before, if you're talking about travel, you can find a lot of footages, beautiful footages of any cities, any countries, any mountains, or wherever you can name it, right? Aerials, it has even, see, it's very beautiful footages here. You don't have to have a drone, to shoot this. You can already download it and use it. Beautiful cities like this one. It's free, absolutely, even 4K. It's a downtown of Chicago sunset. Very beautiful footage, right? It's free. See, you can use it on your footage. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you, that you can use anything that will make your video more presentable and cinematic, right? And find, of course, a very nice music for your videos. When you're talking you're talking on camera and only your head, and that's nothing happens. Music is good idea, but make it very, very hardly heard, like somewhere on the background. Do not make it very loud. Do not make it something that will do not make music when it's higher than your voice, because mostly people want to listen your story. They don't want to listen music, right? So this all footages I will add it to my description, because I don't all remember this. A lot of good sites where you can. He's also Mexican. See, you can download music also here. I think they have also videos. Yeah, they have videos. They have sound effects, templates. You can use Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut, the templates. See, Mixkey has a lot of. It's a very good site also. I will add I will be adding more of these footage of sites, because I don't remember all of them. I'm sure there is more of these sites. I will add them to my description. Just check it, and whatever you see the website for you just go there and try. You can find any footage you like. See, it has a lot of footages. These videos you can use. See, a lot of videos. If you're talking about Halloween or something scary, you can use this, like this mother sucker can kill and suck your blood, whatever you want to tell in your story. I don't know. Okay, let's see the business office. Oh, see, business has a lot of nice stuff here. See? Now, well, I hope I told you everything. This is a music. I will give you more websites for music and the footages. Just go to the description. You will be able to find all of this. Guys, I hope you got my idea what I was trying to tell you. Please subscribe, and please do not unsubscribe from my channel, because I'm really trying to, for you, most of you guys, because I see a lot of guys subscribing and then unsubscribing. I think that most of people think that I don't create videos anymore for my channel and stuff. All right, thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. I hope that video was helpful for you, and see you later.
Subscribe and leave a like.